At Online Seminar, we know that in an era of increasing digital complexity, you still want to connect with your target audience. Whether you communicate with C-level executives, nomads in marketing, highly qualified doctors, or dedicated employees, how do you reach them and deliver the experience with the attention they desire? Our state-of-the-art webinar platform allows you to engage and inform your audience on a human level. Provide a seamless user experience in one of our professional studios, no matter what your goals are. Educate your audience with high-end e-learning solutions. Test your audience's knowledge and provide automatic CME accreditation afterwards. Would you rather organize a virtual congress, workshop, or debate? Online Seminar facilitates virtual and hybrid events whenever and wherever. Use the chat for live Q&As and set up polls and surveys to fully grasp the needs of your target audience. Our webinar platform is fully applicable to product launches and shareholder meetings as well. With our integrated voting system and call to actions, you'll give a whole new meaning to engagement. With over a decade of experience, we have a proven track record of delivering your message globally to your target audience. And of course, our professional project managers are ready to guide you in every step of the process. Would you like to know what Online Seminar can mean for your medical education programs, product launches, or virtual events? Contact us for tailor-made advice. Who are we? We are Online Seminar. Let's connect.